Today topic is inheritance. First we will discuss about what is inheritance. Inheritance is the most powerful feature of object-oriented programming. As you know that C++ is most powerful object-oriented programming. Inheritance is a process of creating new class from existing class. The new class is called child class, derived class, descendant class and subclass. The existing class is called base class, parent class, ancestor class or superclass. A child class inherited all the properties of base class without modifying anything. Let's take the example. I have taken the three entities grandfather, father, uncle, where grandfather is a base class of father and uncle, and father and uncle both are child class of grandfather. The father and the uncle inherited all the feature of grandfather without modifying any feature. Now we discuss type of inheritance. There are 5 type of inheritance in OOPS which are given below. Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance and last one is hybrid inheritance. First, we will discuss about single inheritance. When a single derived class inherited from only one base class is called single inheritance. As you can see here, I have taken two classes, that is one is base class, that is A, and B is child class. A single class inherited from single base class is called single inherited. Next one, multiple inheritance. When a derived class inherited from several or multiple base classes, it is called multiple inheritance. You can see in example, A and B are base classes of C and C is a child class of A and B. In this example, C is a derived class which is inherited from multiple classes, that is A and B. Next one is hierarchical inheritance. When many derived classes are inherited from single base class, it is called hierarchical inheritance. As you can see in example, A is a base class of B, C and D, whether B, C and D are child class of A. As you can see here, A inherited multiple classes, so it is called hierarchical inheritance. Next, multi-level inheritance. When one derived class inherited from a base class and this derived class itself inherited new other derived class and act as an intermediate between base class and new derived class, called multi-level inheritance. As you see in example, A, B, C. Here A is a base class of B and B is a child class of A and base class of C, and C is a child class of B. Okay, here B act as an intermediate class because in this B act as a child class of A and B also act as a base class for C. So it is called multi-level inherited because this is performing multi-level. So it is called multi-level inheritance. Next inheritance is hybrid inheritance. It is a combination of both, that is hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance. In this, multiple derived classes inherited from single base class, that is hierarchical inheritance do, and derived class inherited from multiple base classes, that is multiple inheritance do. So it is called hybrid class. As you see in example, I have took 4 entities, that is A, B, C and D. Here hierarchical inheritance performed in half of this, that is A inherit multiple derived class, so it is act as a base class for B and C. In down portion, B and C are act a base class for D and D is a derived class of B and C. So it is a combination of both multiple and hierarchical inheritance, and this is called hybrid inheritance. And that's all about inheritance in object-oriented programming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment.